Heading off on holiday and need to exchange your local money for euros? Or maybe you're trading between currencies and need to lock in a great rate. If you're using Revolut, you know they offer some of the best exchange rates out there, but how exactly do you actually make that conversion inside the app? If you've ever been left scratching your head, you're not alone. Today, we're cutting straight to the chase and walking through the super simple, step-by-step process to convert currencies right inside your Revolut app. This is the fastest, easiest way to manage your multi-currency balances. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is open the Revolut app and look at your main balances screen. Next, you need to find the exchange feature. Depending on your app version, you'll typically find this under the More icon, which looks like 3 dots or a little square, just below your main balance. Tap that, and then select Exchange. Once you're in the exchange section, the app will ask you which currency you want to sell and which currency you want to buy. You'll see 2 currency boxes. Tap the top one to select the currency you currently hold and want to convert from, like GBP. Then tap the bottom box to select the currency you want to receive into, like USD. Now, enter the amount you want to convert. You can either type in the exact amount you want to sell in the top box, or the exact amount you want to buy in the bottom box. The app will automatically calculate the equivalent amount using the real-time exchange rate. Crucially, before you confirm, the screen will display the live exchange rate and show you the final amounts. This is your chance to double-check that you're happy with the rate and the total conversion. Everything look good? Fantastic. Simply tap the Review Order button and then confirm the exchange. And that's it. The funds will instantly appear in the new currency in your Revolut account balances, ready for you to spend, send, or save. No need to wait, no complicated forms, just a few quick taps. Remember, Revolut's best rates are usually available on weekdays. If you're converting on a weekend, you might incur a small fee, which is always clearly displayed before you confirm the transaction. It's really that simple to get the most out of your international.